Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making an aloe vera shampoo. Today is my washing day and I was thinking of the easiest hair shampoo that I can make to wash my hair. So I thought of making aloe vera shampoo for my hair with black soap. If you have watched my video on how I glow my skin, you will notice this black soap. I used it on that video to make liquid bath soap. I will put the link here on the screen as I'm talking to you guys. So in this shampoo, I'm going to use aloe vera, honey, black soap. You can also add glycerin, apple cider, or any other items to your hair shampoo. But this is what I have available now, okay? And I don't need to waste time making my hair shampoo. I needed something quick so that I can wash my hair. So this is the container I'll be using to put the aloe vera hair shampoo, and this is the bowl that I will use to melt the black soap, and also this is the sieve that I'm going to use to sieve the black soap. It's good for you to sieve your black soap if you don't sieve it, because inside it you will find so many things that they use to prepare the black soap, something like charcoal, ash or sand. So you need to sieve out all those particles from the black soap before using it on your hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select the essential oil which I would like to use in this shampoo. I choose peppermint oil and sweet orange oil. You can also add tea tree oil if you want. Okay, just choose any of your preferred essential oil to use in your hair shampoo. Also, another oil that I chose in making this hair shampoo is grapeseed oil. I chose this oil because while making any hair shampoo with black soap, you need to add oil into your hair shampoo. Black soap strips out the natural oil on your hair. You wash your hair very well and wash out every oil and dirty on your hair, leaving your hair dry. So you need to add oil into any shampoo that you're making with black soap, and also oil your hair and scalp after washing your hair. So this is why I chose this grapeseed oil. So as we are making this aloe vera hair shampoo, and I'll first put the black soap into the bowl and add hot water in it to be able to melt this black soap. After adding the hot water into it, we'll set it aside for about 30 minutes for the black soap to melt before we'll continue preparing our aloe vera hair shampoo. If you don't have original African black soap, you can use the Ocean for this. You can follow this step by cutting it into smaller sizes, put it in a bowl and add hot water to it to melt. Then you can start the process. The next thing we are going to do here is to prepare the aloe vera. The both sides of aloe vera are thorny, so be careful not to prick your hands. First, cut off the thorny parts because we don't need it. Then use your hand to separate the aloe vera leaf from the gel and scoop out the gel with a spoon. Always remember to sieve your aloe vera gel after blending with a good sieve, stockings or wig cap. This will help to remove the leftover particles that would have stuck on your hair. So these are the benefits of aloe vera for your hair. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes which repairs the skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. Honey is a great hair moisturizer. It smooths the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Honey can also help to restore the natural luster of your hair and keep it shiny. After adding aloe vera, honey, and grapeseed oil into the black soap, I added a few drops of the essential oil that I selected into the mixture and stir very well. Then the next thing is to add my preservative. If you want this shampoo to stay longer than a week, you have to add preservative to it because it contains water. So I bought the amount of preservative that I add to it. This is not for commercial use. This is just the hair shampoo that I'm using for myself. Okay, I bought this preservative here in China. So if you're looking for a good preservative to use, you can check this preservative on Taobao. I have been using this preservative for more than a year now and it works perfectly for me. So this is the final result. I was trying to show you guys how foamy this hair shampoo is. I don't have any place to put down my camera in the bedroom, so I was holding the camera with one hand. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to see you next time on my next video. Bye.